Do you desperately want to pursue your master's degree, but you do not have the luxury of time to spend 2 years of your life pursuing it? Then I got the solution for you. I'm here to tell you that you can get your master's degree in 9 months. Yes, I said it. I did it, and so can you. So in this video, I'm going to give you a list of schools that you can look into to get your degree in the United States of America within 9 months. There are so many advantages in pursuing a master's degree for 9 months, quote unquote 1 year. But let's face it, it is not 1 year, it's actually 9 months. I'll tell you the reason why. The semester will start somewhere August ending, we'll not count the August, so let's say September. Now September, and you're going to graduate in May. Do the math, it's just 9 months. Within this 9 months, you're still going to have holidays and you're still going to have breaks. So you just have 9 months, then you get your master's degree. But what are the advantages? Assuming you are pursuing a STEM degree that is 1 year or 9 months, then you're going to have 3 years OPT. Yes, I said it. OPT is optional practical training. Now, if you want to know more about the advantages and disadvantages of a 1 year versus a 2 years master's degree, I have a whole video that I have done dedicated to that. So right after this video, you could jump into it and then you could watch that. I analyzed these 2 degrees into details. So that is one of the advantages. Now the second advantage is that it is not like you are also going to be deprived of any scholarship. So you are as eligible for scholarship just as the 2 years master's degree. So you can get your master's degree with scholarship in 9 months. Are we counting the advantages? The next advantage, a 1 year master's degree with this, you could still gain practical and theoretical knowledge while pursuing your 1 year master's degree. But I will not skip the disadvantage. The disadvantage I would say is that it's very rigorous. So you'd have to just dedicate yourself, give yourself 9 months, soak yourself into the course, get your master's degree, and then go on to pursue whatever thing else you want in your life. Like I promised, I'm just going to give you a few courses, and just note that most schools, there are so many schools in the United States that offer 1 year master's degree, but these are just a few that I was able to pick up. And for each school, I'm going to give you at least one course that you can pursue there for a master's degree. But disclaimer, it doesn't mean that that is the only course in that school that you can pursue a 1 year master's degree. You could actually look into the school and look for other courses, and there will still be other schools, so be sure to do your research as well. So number 1 on our list, the new school. Yes, I was also amazed. I'm like, what kind of school is this? Yes, it's actually called the new school. The new school is located in New York, and one course that I came across that you could do for 1 year is Masters of Science in International Affairs. I am not going to be science biased because I tend to be sometimes science biased. So you see me throw in 1 or 2 art courses and what have you. But nobody is left out. Every course, most courses, just speak to the university. Just find the right university and you are likely to also get a 1 year master's degree. Moving on, the next is a Masters of Arts in Economics. Yes, you can also pursue a Masters of Arts in Economics in the new school located in New York for 1 year. Masters in Economics, guys, come. And I hear economics is actually also a very hot space in the United States actually. So I have a few friends who are doing it, and it's a sought after course or a sought after profession as well. So the next is a Masters of Arts in Policy Studies, okay? And you can pursue this in the University of Washington, Bothell, and this university is located in Washington. So you could look into that or any other courses in this school as well for a master's degree in 9 months. Bryant University is located in Smithfield, Rhode Island, okay? And you can pursue a course like a Masters of Arts in Communication. I told you guys, I'm being very diverse in the courses now. So Masters of Arts in Communication for 9 months in Bryant University. Now you could also pursue a Masters of Education in Learning and Instructional Design in, drum roll, this university, I found it hard to pronounce, Wichita State University, and Wichita State University is located in Kansas. You can pursue this degree also in Wichita. Now, another one is a Master's of Arts in Psychological Sciences. So if psychological sciences is of interest to you, you should be looking at university, and that is Northern Arizona University, that is located in Arizona. Moving on, if you want to pursue a Master's of Science in Health Informatics, let me tell you, this is also a hot niche, okay? We'll definitely have to talk about the niches you need to be looking into when applying for your master's degree. But I bet you MS Health Informatics is a STEM course, and it has it's got to do with a lot of analytics, and it's a STEM course, so you have 3 years OPT. So you should also look into it, and you can pursue this in University of San Francisco in San Francisco, California. So if you are hoping to move to Cali for 9 months, do your master's degree in MSc Health Informatics, this school is for you. Now, the next is Masters of Science in Criminal Studies, which you can pursue at Roger Williams University. Now, Roger Williams University is located in Providence, Rhode Island, and as well as the title says, in 9 months, you'd be walking away with your Masters of Science in Criminal Studies. You go catch some criminals. The next is Masters of Science in Marketing. Marketing is a hot niche now. Every company, every product needs marketing. So it's very hot, given that there's lots of social media marketing and stuff. And if you want this degree within 9 months, then you should be looking at American University, Washington, D.C. As it states, it's located in Washington, D.C. Now, there's also another one that you law people could also look into, this Masters of Science in Patent Law, and this is in University of Minnesota. So if you want to pursue this degree in 9 months, hey, I showed you where to go. Now, Masters of Education in Information Technology, now you should be looking at University of Southern California in Cali, guys. That is also for you. Now, the last but not the least I'm going to talk about is Masters of Business Administration, that is located in University of Florida as well. Now, take note, I have done it, okay? So I have a personal experience that I can talk to. So that is the reason why I'm very confident to bring you some of these universities, and so that you can pursue your master's degree in 9 months. Some people haven't done it, so they will not be able to talk so well to it. Now, it's good, okay? If you are busy, if let's say you've been out of school for a while and you have like a lot of experience, maybe like in the working field, you've been working for let's say 3 to 4 years, 2 years, this is for you, because you spent a lot of time, you know, and so you wouldn't want to spend like so much time in school. Not to say that spending lots of time in school is bad, but you need that quick master's degree because you yearn for it so much and you just want to be better. So I've given you some of the advantages of this course. Now, so to the bonus university. The bonus university is the university I attended. I attended Brandeis University. And in Brandeis University, you can pursue a Master's of Science in Global Health Policy and Management. And if you want to be in the public health space or global health space, this is the course for you. Just take note that, yes, I had scholarship as well, so it means that it also goes a long way to prove to you that the fact that you're doing a 1-year master's degree does not mean you cannot have scholarship. Okay, so assuming you want to come do PhD, but you want to do a master's before PhD, some of these courses are fast for you. Assuming you just, maybe you have family, you don't want to leave them for too long, and you want a master's degree, this is also a 1-year master's degree, is a master's degree for you. I hope with these points of mine, I have been able to convince you that your master's degree is possible to obtain in 9 months. Now, don't forget to actually like this video, because I know you really liked it, and share as well to as many people that you talk to about master's degree as well. and comment which of these courses are you looking to pursue. Leave a comment right there. Let's have an interactive discussion. I really love to hear from all my subscribers, and if you have subscribed for all this while, all I have to say is thank you so much. And before you leave, if you haven't watched the video that talks about the differences between the 1 year and the 2 years master's degree, please do so. Click on the list and then watch it as well. It's going to give you an in-depth discussion. I have been your girl, Dr. Rich Love. See you in my next video. Bye.